Right now, this very moment, something extraordinary is happening all over you. Millions of cells, old, tired, and done with their work, are being swept away. And millions more are rising to take their place. You are not static. You are not stuck. Your body is in constant motion. And this is one reason why you are awesome. You are always becoming someone new. You shed and replace millions of cells every single minute. Your skin renews every month. Your gut lining regenerates every few days. Your red blood cells are replaced every few months. This means you are not the same you that you were even a week ago. Your body is a masterpiece of renewal. Every part of you, every tissue, every organ has its own rhythm of repair. Your stomach lining, it faces acids so strong they could burn metal. So your body rebuilds it every 2 to 5 days. Your skin, it gently peels and replaces itself about every 27 days. Your red blood cells, they carry oxygen for about 4 months, then quietly retire, replaced by fresh new ones. And it's not just physical. Your brain is rewiring. Your gut bacteria are adapting. Your immune system is constantly learning. You are always in motion on a cellular level. You are a living process, not a finished product. Close your eyes if you'd like. Take a deep breath in, then let it go. Feel the flow inside you. Cells finishing their work and stepping aside. New ones arriving, ready to take their place. You don't have to hold on so tightly. Just as your body lets go, so can you. This is the rhythm of being alive. Release, renew, repeat. Write down one thing you're ready to release. A thought, a tension, a worry. Then write down one new thing you're ready to welcome. A feeling, a goal, a new version of you. Just like your body, you are allowed to begin again. You are not a fixed identity. You are not the story of your past. You are a living, breathing act of renewal. And just a few minutes ago, your body was replacing cells. And now, it still is. And this is another reason why you are awesome.